Hi viewers, welcome back to Eco Designs to Feel YouTube channel. This is your girl Wendy, and on this channel we upload sewing tutorials every day. So in case you are new here, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn up your notification bell so as to get notified when I upload new videos. If you are a returning subscriber, you are highly welcome as well. In today's tutorial, you'll be learning how to perfectly attend a good finishing on your lace fabric. So right there on top of the table, you can see me trying to mark out 1 inch from the lining. I've already previously cut out both the lining, the bridal satin and the lace fabric. Okay, you know how we do our we cut out our lace. So the lining should be so on this one my lining was 5 inch shorter than the main lace material, but then I had to cut both my lining and my bridal satin equally, okay, the same size. So after that, what I'm doing right there is to mark out 1 inch from the lining so as to be shorter and by 1 inch from the bridal satin. Okay, so after cutting this out, the next thing I'll do is to bring both my bridal satin and my lace, and I will start hemming. I've already done a this kind of video before where I showed you how I perfectly um attach my lining to my bridal my lace to my bridal satin, but then in that one I use them hemming gum for the upper part and then use a straight stitch for the down part. But on this one I'm trying to use hemming gum to show you how I I hem my bridal satin to my lace. Okay, so this is what I will do until I get the hemming gum all over the um lace. Okay, so I'll continue doing this until I get done with it. After that, I will go ahead and show you how you will be achieving this perfect finish on your lace. Okay, so guys, keep on watching, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure to keep um your subscription on so as to get notified whenever I upload new videos on this channel, because here on this channel I upload new videos every week, and this is definitely what you would love to see. If you are new here, please, you are welcome as well. And again, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So right now I'm trying to show you what I've been able to achieve, and I'm trying to cut out the excess fabric, and I went over to do the front part. The other one, the previous one I did was the back, and now this is the front. And this person is really a plus size, so that's why you can see this kit very big. So this is how I actually achieve the hemming of my lace to my bridal satin using hemming gum. This is very necessary that you have as a designer. So you don't, if you don't have a hemming gum, please go straight to the market and get it, because it's very important in making laces. Okay, so what this does to a lace is that it makes it goes flat without having any rumple. Okay, and if you're a beginner, this should be very easier for you than using the straight stitch, because it's not everybody that can keep their hands straight, but using a hemming gum is preferable and easier for you. So you can see what I've already achieved. The next thing, you can see how I left a little space down there, and now I'm trying to show you the next step to take, that is the sewing process. So I brought in my lining, and I will place them right side facing each other with that part of the lace that I left unhemmed inward. Okay, I place that inward, you can see. So I'm trying to show you what to do. The first thing you should do is to stitch the down part, and after that you top stitch, and the next thing then you turn out the side seam. We am using 1/4 of an inch, and that is exactly what I'm trying to do here. First I started by um sewing the down parts, which afterwards I will go ahead and top stitch. Okay, right here I'm using 1/2 an inch for this down parts, and after that I would be top stitching that. Okay, so please this is what I'm actually trying to do here. So right now you can see me top stitching. Okay, so after this what I'll do next is to turn my side seam, but then I will start from the waist. Please do not start from the down part, because this could affect your sewing. So what I'm doing right now is to sew using 1/4 of an inch. As you can see, I will do this on one side and also repeat the same thing on the other side. But on getting to the down part, I will shift out my lace, because you notice that I shifted my lace, that the 5 inches that was left on hem inward. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to do here. Please try as much as possible to push it in, and then continue your sewing. So after doing the that side, I repeated the same thing on the other side. As you can see, I started from the waist part also. Okay, guys, this is very easy to achieve. So, and it makes your work neater. Okay, you know, on the previous one I had to do this separately, where I hemmed the bridal satin, and after that I also hemmed the lining. But then I noticed that this one is better, and I decided to teach you guys how I do this. You can see I've already done sewing all this together, and taking a close look, you will see how this looks so beautiful. Okay, so after that I went ahead to do the back side, because the previous one I did was the front part. So I repeated the same thing on the two back side. Okay, now um once I'm done, I'm going to turn this out and show you what all those looks like. Okay, and then I'm trying to stitch the slit area. Then don't forget to notch your slit, so as to be able to turn this out perfectly well. So at this point I'm done with this, and I'm trying to turn it out. Guys, without even talking too much, you should see how neatly finished this is looking. So now I'm done with everything, and here on this table is showing you what I've achieved. This is it, guys. This is so perfect, and this is what you would love to try. Okay, so you can see how I left some inches down. This makes the lace looks so sweet. So guys, you should give this a thought and try it. Okay, instead of having the lining being torn separately, and then the brighter satin being turned separately again. Please use this method and achieve your goal, and your clients will surely love this finishing. Okay guys, this is the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed every bit of this tutorial, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next tutorial. And please make sure, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, because this video could help someone out there. And even if you are not a beginner, please send this video to any beginner that you notice. Okay guys, it's time to go. Bye.